Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing a Chemex. Probably the most beautiful way to present coffee. It also tastes amazing. Let's get started. This is a Chemex, very beautiful. It's a pour over style coffee. Basically, you just use a paper filter, coffee and hot water. That's it. I'll be using the Chemex square filter paper. This is oxygen bleached, so it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals that impacts a lot of flavor. If you open your square, you will see it folds one side and the other one has got three sides. The three sides goes towards the spout. This ensures that we don't have a collapse of the paper that creates a air vacuum. First, let's get the water to temperature. We'll be using about 93 degrees. Our coffee to water ratio we use in a Chemex, I prefer 60 grams of coffee to a liter of water. We try and rinse the filter paper to get out some of the papery taste that it has remaining, as well as heating up the Chemex. Cereal scale, like I said, we'll be using 60 grams to a liter. That's our ratio, but for 2 nice cups, we're going to use 30 grams to 500 ml of water. For the Chemex, we'll be using a medium grind size. This is a freshly roasted and ground for Chemex. This is a Colombia Popignan we'll be using today. Alright, so I use a 1 to 2 bloom ratio. So 30 grams of coffee, 60 grams of hot water on top of the coffee, and let it bloom for about 40 seconds. Start your timer and let it bloom. Okay, once you've waited for your bloom and it's done, we'll be adding the water. We'll be adding it in a constant stream, and I'll be doing it in 2 stages. So let's go with the first stage. Always remember, when pouring, try not to pour onto the sides of the paper filter. We always try and keep it just on the inside of the rim of the coffee. Otherwise, you're going to get some papery taste, and it also might create channels down the side. So we added 250 grams of water in the first stage, and let's go for our second stage. Okay, 500 grams of water has been added. You can remove it from the scale if you want. And now we just wait for the drawdown to finish. This process can take anything from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. I normally aim for about 3.5 to 4 minutes. After your drawdown is completed, it's just time to remove your filter and the spent coffee and throw it away. All what you're left with is an amazing cup of coffee. Give it a swirl. And that's it, time to drink. It really does make for a beautiful cup of coffee. The way it pours, the way the light shines through the coffee. Cheers. Amazing. If you want to share in this amazing experience, you can head over to the Coffee Roastery, get yourself a Colombia Popignan. It's a very, very suitable Chemex coffee. Thank you very much for joining us today. Be on the lookout for more coffee videos and content, and have a coffee-filled day.